Pasulka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 8, Section 3, number 13, which reads, oil and gas production in a certain area dropped from 4 million barrels in 2000 to 1.9 million barrels in 2013. Assuming that oil and gas production decreased at a constant rate, which of the following linear functions f best models the production in millions of barrels 2 years after the year 2000? So first off, if production dropped, you know you have a negative slope. A and B are gone. And if we did 4 minus 1.9 billion, we know barrels has to be on top because it's barrels are mentioned first. 2 years after 2000, that's barrels per year. So up top, you know that you're going to be subtracting 4 million barrels minus 1.9 million barrels. And you know that that's going to be 2.1, and it looks like we're moving a decimal. So C is your answer, and you can do that in 5 seconds. Now, how would you do it? They're really coordinates you're given here. So 4 million barrels in the year 2000. So you could treat that as y2. y2 slope, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's going to be over 0. 1.9 million barrels in 2013 is going to be minus 13. And what you wind up getting here is that m equals 2.1 over negative 13. There's your negative slope. And if you move the decimal once to the right and the top and the bottom, you've got your 21 over 130. So you remember, you're maintaining the ratio if you multiply the top and bottom by 10. Same thing as moving the decimal once to the right and the top and the bottom. Where do you get your 4 million? Well, that's your initial amount, 4 million barrels. So that is your y-intercept. So if it were on a graph, it would look like this. Here's your 4, and it's going to be a negative slope. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble translating an equation like this, a word problem, into a linear equation. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.